In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Attack on Titan Revolution Roblox on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and join the Attack on Titan Revolution experience on Roblox on any mobile device that you have. All that you have to do is open Roblox on Android or iOS and use the search function to look for the experience. So tap on this little magnifying glass icon and you will be able to look for Attack on Titan Revolution. So usually it is going to suggest the experience as soon as you look for Attack on Titan. You will be able to confirm that it is the official one because it is developed by AOTR, so Attack on Titan Revolution, and they are verified creators. It has more than 100 million visits, and all that you have to do is go ahead and tap the option to join, and you will load in immediately inside of Attack on Titan Revolution. So tap the green button to join. So once you join the experience, you will be able to tap to join with any of the character slots that you have available and start playing. You can go over to these settings first if you would like to customize some aspects about the game related to gameplay, so for example camera shake, escape keys, and so on. And this might help you especially if you are playing on mobile with features such as lock on, and you will be able to play. Customize your character first if you would like to, but for this video I'm going to skip ahead just to show you how the experience actually looks. So you will be able to create your first character if you are joining for the first time and familiarize yourself with the controls. Keep in mind that for this video I'm not going to go too much in depth about the controls, how it works, and what you have to do in order to progress in the game, but you will be able to discover this on your own. You can create any of the missions and start playing. You can play alone or with your friends. You will be able to go to higher difficulties, get more gear, get more skill levels, improve your skill tree and abilities, and you will be able to conquer the most difficult raids. So as you can see, all of the buttons are adjusted here. So you can use your hook, you can refill, do a flip, slash, and so on. It is a very fun experience, especially with the amount of control that you have over your character. It feels really good to slide around, use the hook, and get to higher ground, and you will be able to do this on any mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Attack on Titan Revolution Roblox on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!